Okay, ready? Ready? Go.
As my mom always said, don't get blood on the carpet. Jude's just over here chilling, reading a book. Oh my gosh, you guys are silly. Final move.
I think use this so I don't hurt him.
Okay, that's probably a better idea. Yeah, like goobers.
I'm the Rock Johnson. I'm John Cena. He's the Rock Johnson.
You're the Rock and he's John Cena.
I wish I could be.
Hilarious.
Come on, let's go.
Oh my gosh.
Let's go, John Cena. I mean, we go.
What you reading, brother?
A book.
That's an astute observation. What's it called?
Keeper of the Lost City.
Keeper of the Lost City? Wow. Is it good?
Yeah.
You've read quite a bit of that book.
Yeah.
Holy cow. You're the reader, man. I'm gonna start calling you the reader. Like how there's the watcher in What If? You'll be the reader in real life.
There's a whole series of them at our school library, so I'm sorry to read it to you.
Nice. Good young man.
Okay,
Yeah.
who would win, the John Cena or the Rock Johnson?
It's a beginner chapter book.
It's a great question. We need to know, guys, who would win? John Cena or Dwayne The Rock Johnson? Comment down below. Who's gonna win in that fight?
The Rock Johnson.
You think The Rock would win? I don't know, man.
No, not John Cena. The Rock. No, John. I've seen what John Cena's done.
Yeah, John Cena should be a wrestler now. He's known as the Nickelodeon guy.
Oh my god.
Still a wrestler.
Guys, comment down below who's gonna win, John Cena or The Rock.
John Cena. The Rock. John Cena. The Rock. John Cena. The Rock. John Cena.
Aww. There he goes. He looks like he's looking at the wallpaper like it's an art installation. He's trying to decide what it is. I see puppy dogs and hummingbirds. Papa's over here making breakfast for everybody, like a boss. And I still have envy of this oven and stovetop. It is goals.
There you go.
Oh man. Amazing.
It's legit.
Amazing. How's the big dogs?
Good.
Good? Nice.
My favorite part.
Bacon?
The bacon.
The bacon. Being responsible, washing your own dishes? Come on now. Who are you? Is that funny? That's so silly. Penny's hanging out with her new friend.
You know, I know this in a
It's
while.
been a little bit since y'all have seen each other, huh?
Oh, we've been a long time to see each other.
Hey, birdie. Hey, buddy. Come here.
Now on FaceTime too.
Hey, guy. What's up? Say hi. Giving you some kisses. You're like a pirate. Penny the pirate.
Lemon poppy seed bread. This is the best bread I've had in a long time.
You picked it up at a gas station last night on the way
I
here.
know.
It's like cake.
It's so good. I like it. It's so good.
Just don't take a drug test anytime soon.
Bye.
Gigi's got the bread. What's up, Gigi?
He's helping you. Good job, Lincoln. He's pushing it. That was so cute. Ready to go. You want to get in? Someone is ready to go. Okay, let's go. Woo! You guys ready to go? We've got a fall break vacation to get to.
4:34 p.m. arrival.
4:34. That's not too bad.
Yeah.
Check-in's at 4.
5 hours and 46 minutes away.
I'm so excited about this.
Stops.
Not counting stops, which is a big deal when you're a family of 9.
Dad, I gotta pee. Dad, I'm hungry. Dad, he looked at me funny. Dad, how long is it?
Lincoln, you wanted to say hi?
not do that.
I was gonna say the kids don't
They're
really do that.
Actually really good.
Lincoln, oh, he wants the
Last
door
night I
closed.
was wearing my new favorite T-shirt, the Wet Bandits,
The Wet
plumbing and
Bandits.
electrical.
I need to get one that says the Sticky Bandits, and then
I
we
didn't
would
see a
be-
sticky band. I got one that says, "Bye, buddy. Hope you find your dad."
Yeah.
And this one. So it's been a good week.
You guys ready for fall break?
Yeah.
Woo-hoo! Yeah! What's up, beautiful people?
What's up, guys?
It is the first day of fall break, and we are super excited. Yeah, Lincoln's ready to say hi. We are actually about to get out, so we have been driving for a few hours now, and we're stopping for a quick lunch at Chick-fil-A. We're on our way.
Well, you already told
Oh,
me. I was
sorry.
gonna say, can you guess where we're stopping? But she told you already. So that's okay.
My parents are following us in their vehicle, and we have almost a full week to hang out. We're going to a lake house for a few days, and then we're going to Williamsburg and gonna do some sightseeing and that kind of stuff. I did that kind of thing when I was a kid, and so I think it's gonna be really exciting for all the kids. But Lincoln is anxiously awaiting getting out, and my parents are calling. All right, well, the playground's closed, so that's a bit of a bummer, but we're still gonna go in and eat real quickly and then head to this lake house, and I wanna show you guys around because it's super cool. It's gonna be a wonderful way to relax and spend some time together. And we're ready to go in. Yes,
go eat
we
some
are.
chicken? Yeah.
All right, guys, let's go on in.
Hilarious. These guys are trying to get their exercise in to work off the ice cream they're eating.
Simon says stretch to the right and the left.
Playing Simon Says.
Just doing a few exercises to get all the energy out so the kids are like home in the car.
Yeah.
This is our secret, guys.
Yeah.
Keep the kids active.
Hilarious. And everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning.
We really got them.
Man, you guys are so good at those jumping jacks. Your ice cream is gonna be all over your head, Liam. Your ice cream is literally about to go in your hair. Oh my gosh. You weirdos. Looking cool dude, man.
It's not pajamas.
They're not pajamas.
It's like a workout suit.
It's a workout suit.
Remember wow. We used to say sha la 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 la. Sha la 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 la.
Are you kidding me?
Wow.
It's like in the forest.
Guys, we're staying in the forest.
This is the coolest thing ever. This
Y'all
is
are gonna be my
literally a
merry
dream.
men and women.
Yeah. This is literally my dream.
Wow.
I cannot believe this. I cannot believe this.
We're here. Nice color. I love that color.
You love that color? You like the blue,
It's
Ethan?
so nice.
Oh my gosh, we're
It's like
here,
our
guys.
house.
Let's go see the lake. We made it.
I'm
You guys ready? Linky's ready to get out. You ready, puppy? Somebody didn't have a very long nap, but that's okay. Well, we had a little bit of a wardrobe malfunction with a diaper exploding, but we got cleaned up and we're gonna explore. Guys, we're right on the lake. This is so exciting. Yay! Yes, we got kayaks. That's gonna be so fun to use on the water. Are you guys excited about that? Right now?
That is a rad fire pit.
Guys,
We got a hammock.
look at
got
this
this back
view.
up. freaking hot tub.
There's a hot tub. That's awesome. Look at these windows. What an amazing view to this lake right here.
Wow, dude.
Jude found a swing. That's awesome. Oh my gosh. We definitely need to eat some meals outside here.
Yeah.
Definitely make a fire pit. We've got our own little dock here, guys.
Watch on their boat.
I think that the listing said that there are some fishing poles, so the kids might want to do some fishing with Papa. Look, a little beachy area to put our kayaks in. Oh my goodness, look at that. Look at that view. It's so private and quiet though. Guys, we are here and I'm so excited.
Amazing.
I wanted to do this trip last year and it did not work out for multiple reasons, but I am so excited because this is gonna be such a fun fall trip. The weather's even like super fall and kind of foggy, and the drive here is gorgeous, but we have a few days here at this lake house and then we'll be getting a hotel, or we have a hotel over closer in Williamsburg to do some of like the sightseeing and the touristy stuff. Where are you going? You wanna go to the hammock? He's just happy to be out of there. Oh my gosh. Where are you going, Linky? Oh my gosh. Say, I can run, I'm free. Hey puppy. You're just happy to be out of that car, huh? Babe, I think you need to take a nap in this.
I think you need to take a nap with me.
Maybe tomorrow afternoon we can have some time to kind of slow down.
Read, you could read. Oh!
Guys, I literally just got Steven falling out of a hammock. Is it okay that I'm vlogging this?
I didn't expect
Sorry,
that
babe. We're like, you could relax and fall on the ground. Maybe Ethan can, yeah, Ethan's got it.
You're a pro at that. I tried to get in and I just fell flat on my butt.
Oh, babe.
You know, it's not fall until Dad falls on the ground.
This is the second time. I'm pretty sure this has happened on the vlog.
Last year was on our Thanksgiving when we were swinging from the vines.
Yeah, and it broke and you fell on that one too.
That one was a little more understandable though.
Actually, today has been like perfect in every way. Like the drive was gorgeous, everything.
Gorgeous drive.
The kids are in great moods. Lincoln was such an excellent little traveler.
It was incredible.
What do you think, Liam?
Very good.
Is it exciting?
Yeah.
You guys are gonna do some fishing, I think, and kayaking.
Kayaking. Let's go right now.
Yeah, that's gonna be so fun.
We'll have the whole day tomorrow. We're gonna do a fire
Oh,
pit tonight.
Oh, Linky found a ball. Good job, Lincoln. Yay!
I know, right? I think we need to probably
What do you guys think? Is it pretty?
It's so pretty.
Oh man!
It's insanely pretty.
You gonna do the hot tub, Kira?
Oh yes, I am.
Oh yes, I am too. I will join you.
Hi.
Gentle.
Hi.
Gentle.
Hi.
Okay guys, I want to give you a quick tour of the inside because it is super cute and I'm so excited to be here. I've been eyeing this place for like a year now, just on the water. It's actually pretty inexpensive and it's just so pretty. Lincoln, did you get a ball? Did you get your ball? Let's go inside. Here we go. Say thank you. Can you step up? That's kind of big. Good job. Good job. Oh, these floors are really pretty. I love this view. Isn't this so pretty? Guys, look at the view from in here in the living room. These windows. This is what I'm envisioning for our house. Is just having like a wall of windows where you can see out to the water. And that is just gorgeous. I'm gonna spend a lot of time in this room. I think this is really pretty. And the kitchen too. I like the backsplash. The backsplash is really pretty. That's cool with like the lighting and stuff. That's awesome, and I like the big island. That's something we're gonna be doing in our house as well. This is so cute. Okay, so this is like the big kids room, and they've got lots of bunk beds in here. There's TV. So nice. You like it, Penny? Is this the bed you've claimed?
Yeah, like could be like surround TV, like.
Yeah, it's the perfect spot to watch a show.
You don't have to like see anyone else.
That's true. It's kind of private. It's like tucked away there.
Turn around.
Yeah. Yeah, this one will fit you better for sure. But we've got like lots of beds in this room right here. So that's really nice. You've made yourself nice and comfy. And then let's see, I actually haven't been inside yet. So over here, okay, so that's back over to the living room. And you've got a laundry room over here. So that's the front door. Look at this sliding door, that's really cool. All right, so bedroom number 1. This is a nice one. This might be for the girls or maybe my parents. I'm not sure who's picked that room. And then, oh, the girls will pick this one. Here's an, oh, this was a master. I think we were gonna give the master to the girls to split, right? Because you guys wanted to kind of all spend some time in here. That's awesome, I love that view. That's so pretty. Oh, look at the mosaic tile in here. That is so pretty. Look at this bathroom. I really like that. Look at this tub. That's awesome. You've got a clawfoot tub in here. That is so cool. Guys, there is a cute little toddler room. This is so cute. That's gonna be perfect for Lincoln. So here's another really cute bathroom. Look at all the cool detail. I love the wood on the walls and this really cool sink here. That's awesome. Pretty floors. Cheese. You wanna say cheese again? Did you guys see our other vlog where he was looking in every mirror at DSW and saying cheese? He loves to say cheese, don't you, Lincoln? And here is another bedroom. So either Steven and I or the girls will take this one. So that's good. Yeah, plenty of beds for everyone. Right, Linky? I love this place. I know, isn't that a cool door? That's awesome. You saw the bunk room? Plenty of beds for everyone. Isn't this awesome?
All kinds of ideas.
We should just have like one huge bunk room for the kids.
I claim this bed right here.
That one up there. The cool thing about this.
What if we did a bunk room though that was like full-size bunks instead of like,
yeah.
You know.
Well, what we were talking about with the big boys for your rooms is doing loft, like individual loft beds. So they're not like up super high, but you each have like a full-size bed with like a desk underneath. You like that idea? Yeah, kind of like a cool teenage spin on a bunk bed. That'd be cool.
It says Jude was here.
Wow! There was another Jude here?
Dang.
What?
Dang. I can't believe
That's
they did
cool.
that.
Oh, everyone can sign their name when they stay here. That's awesome.
Have fun.
Hey guys, just a reminder that the chalk only goes on that wall, right? Okay. Oh man, not on furniture, not on brothers or sisters.
Yes, it's mine.
Or moms. Hey guys, we could even measure each of you guys on here. It looks like a lot of people have their...
Hey.
Do you want me to help you? Here you go. Right there. Okay, step away. Right there. There's Liam's.
Here's a
Cool.
person.
Dude, holy cow.
Let's see how tall
You're like
I
getting close to,
am.
getting closer to 6 feet. You're definitely taller than me, that's for
See
sure.
how tall I am.
Wow, Ethan, you're over the
5.5.
5.5. You're a little over the 4. That's good. I'm so happy. This is so pretty.
All right, guys. Check-in is always a little crazy whenever you're trying to get this many people into an Airbnb.
Yeah.
So I've been trying to figure all that out. So I haven't really been as much a part of the whole exploration of the Airbnb.
But you know, you gave us a good laugh falling off.
That's true. And tomorrow is going to be a total blast. We're going to kayak. We're going to do the fire pit. The hot tub, fishing, cooking our famous brunch, all the good things. It's gonna be amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and close it out so that we can kind of take care of the things we need to take care of so that we can take care of our kids and each other. And Lincoln's like, yeah, get out of here. Yeah. I need you to take care of my dinner.
We're so excited, guys. We love you. We can't wait to show you the rest of our fun time here. But we'll see you guys later.
See you guys.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.
For your name's sake, you will lead me